power steering pump cap. I'm going to use our vacuum tool here to go ahead and pull out the fluid that is in here. Go ahead and remove our catch can. I'm going to go ahead and pop our cap back in. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and lift up on our reservoir. And we're going to take a pair of pliers and we're going to release both of these hoses. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a towel here and I'm going to put it down underneath in case we have any residual power steering fluid come out of the hoses. I want to protect it from running all over the place. Even though we did previously drain or actually evacuate that fluid there. Go ahead and pull that hose off there. Take your new reservoir, lower it down into place, and let's go ahead and get our hoses installed. Press those right back into position. The hose is in position. Go ahead and move your clamps back in. Once we have that in position, go ahead and reinstall it into our bracket on the side. Then go ahead and remove your towel and discard appropriately. Go ahead and wipe everything down. I'm going to go ahead and fill our power steering reservoir. There is a max and a low level line on this here. We're just going to go ahead and top this off to the max line. Use a clean funnel. And go ahead and use the fluid recommended by the manufacturer for this application. Now at the full line. At this point here, we're going to go ahead and remove our funnel. We're going to put our cap back on. What you want to do is go ahead and start up the vehicle, cycle the power. Now we have the vehicle running. We cycle our steering left and right a couple of times, and you can see the fluid level went down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and open up the cap here. Let's go ahead and add fluid as necessary. Let's go ahead and remove our funnel. Put the cap back on. And we're going to cycle that steering left and right a couple more times, and then we'll check that fluid again. Our fluid level looks good. Just going to give this a good wipe, and you're all set.